Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you 9 reasons why you should start window tinting business in Australia. See, in Australia, everybody needs tinting their cars, their homes and offices. But the sad thing is there are not a lot of tinters. So if you learn this one skill, you can make thousands of dollars per week. Number 1, low-cost startup. Unlike any other business, you can start window tinting business under $1,000. Your professional tools that you need to tint windows is going to cost you $300. And A-grade film, I'm talking about Suntech and Global Tints and Tints like good quality films, are going to cost you $400 to $800. And that's it, $1,000, or that's all you need. You don't need fancy tools, you don't need fancy trucks or trailers and stuff to start your business. Number 2, high profit margin. Average job in Australia, a tint job in Australia, costs around $350 per car. So when you tint $350 per car, you get $350 and your expenses are 10% or $35. And that includes your material, your slip solutions and electric power and anything else. So the profit margins are 90% in tint. So imagine tinting 2 cars a day, $700 and just spending $70, and rest of it $640 or $630 is all your profit. Number 3, low overheads. What I mean by that is you don't need to spend too much money on material or on special solutions and chemicals. The profit is in your skills, basically. Either you can call it labor skills or profits, doesn't matter. Also, you can start this business by yourself. You don't need any employees or any fancy shops and workshops. You can start this from your garage. Number 4, work from home. To start this business, you don't need to quit your job straight away and focus and make blueprints and stuff like that. All you need to do is learn these skills. There is a huge demand out there. Learn these skills, start tinting on weekends, and soon weekends income is going to bypass your weekly pay. Number 5, no risk. You can start this business as a mobile tinter. So mobile tinter is basically going to people's house in their residence and then tinting their cars, or you can start this business from your own garage. I think it's a no risk investment. Number 6, low competition. Why? It's a skill-based business. Not everybody wants to go out and learn the skills. Everybody wants to have easy money, sitting on the computers, making websites and YouTubes and stuff. If you learn these skills, there are not a lot of tinters out there in Australia. Hence, huge demand and low supply. That means more money for you. Number 7, fastest return on investment. So even if you go to a professional training that we guys do, even if you do the professional training and buy your tools and your films, you will have the entire money paid back or earned back in few months. Number 8, consistent market demand. In Australia, 90% of the people will sooner or later tint their cars, homes and offices because of the harsh environment, harsh weather and very, very hot summers. People cannot not tint their cars. And because there are not a lot of tinters, you will have consistently customers over customers unless you are a terrible tinter. Okay, so now let's see how much a window tinters in Australia earn per day. So a window tinter, if he tints 1 car a day, that's $350. And if he tints for 5 days, we working for 5 days, 2 days off. So 5 days is $1,750 per week. Now, if the window tinter tints 2 cars a day, that's $700 a day, and that's $3,500 a week working 5 days. If he tints 3 cars a day, which you can, 3 cars a day, that's $1,050 a day. That means working for 5 days is $5,250 per week. Now, you must be thinking, is it really right? Is it really true that yes, window tinters in Australia earn 6 figures income easy? International students and work part-time and they make $2,000 to $3,000 a week working on Friday, Saturday and Sundays. If this is something you want to try and you want to start a window tinting business, my name is Alex Hardy. We are located in South Australia and I have been professional window tinter all my life, and we have started this training institute a few years back, and we have trained lots of students from across Australia, people coming from Melbourne, Sydney, Tasmania, Queensland. All of the students have made a lot of money. They have earned $30,000 to $40,000 in 3 to 4 months. And we help students not only training how to tint windows, but we also teach them how to market the service, how to start the business, and how to retain the customers, and how to give a top-notch service to the customers, because we believe in quality. Now, so if you think you want to get in touch, check out our website. The link would be on the top or on the bottom. This is Alex Harry, and I'll talk to you soon.